Today we're going to do a little unboxing video of one of our least known products, it seems. We've had it around for quite a while. We sell quite a few of them, gets high reviews, but we continue to have a lot of people who say that they never heard of it and didn't realize that we offered the product. It's our high lift handle all. It's 4 tools in one. It's a shovel, an axe, a pickaxe, a sledgehammer. Comes with a telescoping handle, and all of it folds down compactly into a small bag that can be stored in your toolbox, behind your seat, under your seat, a lot of different options. So let's just break into this here and we'll go through some of the different components of the handle all. Just a little instruction sheet on how to assemble. It's very simple in that regard. Doesn't take a lot of explanation. We have our high lift handle all bag, which you can see by the size of the bag. Everything folds down into this bag, so it's very, very small and compact when it's completed. Next thing that we have here, as we're unboxing it, is our shovel head. As we break into the next level of the packaging, we can pull out the other components where we have our pickaxe head. We have a sledge head and an axe head. From there, we've also have in here our retaining pins for the handle and the implements. These come with it. There's 2 of those. One to connect the implement heads to the handle, and one to connect the 2 pieces of the handle, the telescoping handle. From here, we break it on down further to the last objects in here, and this is our telescoping handle. It's zinc coated, and so it just folds out, comes out like that, and simply reduces back down for storage in the bag. So what we're going to do here is we're going to take one of these and we're going to connect one of our retaining pins to the handle to secure it. Just simply goes through the holes and just like that. So there we have the handle secured. Now the next part is very simple as well. I think what we'll do is just demonstrate the axe here. But the axe head and all the different implement heads, they just slide in the hole here. Again, locating the hole and taking the retaining pin to secure it. Again, finishing up that gives you a completed long tool. So obviously we've got this. Again, we have the sledge, we have the pickaxe, and we have the shovel. Very easy to assemble. Again, everything breaks down very simply and stores in our bag here. And that's it. Very simple product. Gives you 4 long-handled tools for to carry with you at all times, for camping, for off-roading, overlanding, whatever your situation is. It's obviously not designed to be a tool that you're going to use if you're digging ditches for a living or chopping trees for a living, but it gives you those tools that you might need and very often need when you are off-road or camping or any type of outdoor recreation. Thanks for taking time to watch.